Hello viewers, welcome to my channel KK Tech Solutions. In this video, I am going to explain you some of the useful MX Player options. So let's get started. I'm opening MX Player in my mobile. Here on left side top you can see three lines. I'm just clicking on that. Here you can see MX Share option. I'm just clicking on that. So by using this MX Share, you can send and receive videos from one mobile to another mobile, but in both mobiles MX Player should be available. So this is one of the useful option which MX Player is providing. And the second option is here MX Player is also providing dark theme. Here you can see dark theme. If you enable dark theme, see, you can see the changes. MX Player got changed into dark theme. I'm again coming back to normal theme, so it came to default theme. This is also useful option MX Player is providing. And here if you scroll down, you can see WhatsApp status saver. By using this option, we can save WhatsApp status videos in MX Player. So I made one video on this WhatsApp status saver using MX Player. I will provide that video link in the cards. You can watch the video is available in the cards. Here you can see private folder option. So many of us don't know that MX Player is providing this. Here if you scroll down, you can see local player settings. I'm just clicking on that. Here I'm going to player settings. So if you scroll down, so here you can see controls option. I'm just clicking on controls. So here you can see a lot of options. Here you can see double tap play pause. So when you enable this double tap option, when the video is moving on, if you double tap, it will go to pause. And if you want to play again, if you double tap again, it will come to play. So this option will be useful in that way. So I'm enabling this option and I'm clicking on OK. So many other options also available in this MX Player, but I found these options are useful to me, so I am saying this to you as well. So I hope the video is useful. If the video is helpful to you, please like, comment and share the video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.